Welcome to APSC Tutorials YouTube channel. So we'll discuss some current affairs of 26th of April. Today is 26th of April. So let's see the important points of 26th of April. When we celebrate National Panchayati Raj Divas, 22nd April, 12th Feb, 24th April and 30th January. So the correct answer is 24th April. So what is this National Panchayati Raj Divas in India? The Panchayati Raj generally refers to the local self-government of villages in rural India as opposed to urban and suburban municipalities. This system was introduced by a constitutional amendment in 1992. In the 73rd amendment of the Indian Constitution, it was introduced. It was recommended by the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. So he is also known as the father of Panchayati Raj system in India. He is best known as the second Chief Minister of Gujarat. The Panchayati Raj system was first adopted in the state of Rajasthan in Nagaur district in the year 1959. If you see the current system of Panchayati Raj in India, we have three levels: district level, block level and village level. And below this village level, we have Gram Sabhas. This is the current system of Assam Panchayati Raj Act 1994. Next, in which state of India Sampark DD app was launched? Delhi, Assam, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. In the state of Uttarakhand, the government of Uttarakhand has launched Sampark DD app. This is an online teaching learning app during the period of COVID-19. Next point, which state dismissed this year Ambubasi Mela? Four options: Delhi, Assam, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand. So the correct answer is Assam. We all know that Ambubasi Mela is a yearly festival in Kamakhya temple in the month of June. So because of the COVID-19, this year the temple authority has decided not to celebrate Ambubasi Mela. Next point, World Malaria Day. Today is 26th of April. So yesterday, that is 25th of April, world celebrated World Malaria Day. So why we celebrate World Malaria Day? To create awareness about malaria. This is the most important point. Why? What was the theme of this year World Malaria Day? So this was the theme: Zero Malaria Starts With Me. So this was the theme of this year's World Malaria Day. From 2008, it got started to celebrate worldwide. Next point, virtual court starts in Uttar Pradesh. The state government of Uttar Pradesh has introduced a virtual court system to tackle the remaining and the pending cases in the state of Uttar Pradesh. With the help of video conferencing, they will handle the remaining cases in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Next point, Vodafone and Idea has started Recharge Sathi scheme with Paytm. So this is a recent app, a recent scheme launched by Vodafone Idea with Paytm. So now the users of Vodafone and Idea will be able to recharge through this Paytm app. Next, Government of India has launched Swamitra app to surveillance property belong to villagers. The Government of India has recently introduced this Swamitra app to look after the properties which belong to the villagers in the villages. The next point, Punjab has started telemedicine services in their state. So the state government of Punjab has introduced telemedicine services in the state of Punjab during this COVID-19 period to deliver the important medicines to the people to their doorstep. Next point, recently NASA has developed high pressure ventilator called Vital. So this Vital, VITAL, is a recently developed high pressure ventilator by NASA to handle the patients of COVID-19. So these were the main points of current affairs on 26th of April. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.